Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show you how to make chicken stock biryani using an easy method. We'll start by gathering our main components, then move on to the simple cooking process. This approach ensures a flavorful and satisfying meal without complicated steps. You'll be able to create a wonderful biryani that tastes like it took hours, but actually comes together quite quickly. Let's get cooking. For our easy biryani, you'll need a few key items. Start with 2 cups of good quality basmati rice, rinse thoroughly. Next, prepare 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, cut into bite-sized pieces. The secret to our flavor is 4 cups of rich chicken stock. Don't forget your aromatic spices, such as green cardamom pods, cloves, and a cinnamon stick, to build that authentic taste. Now let's get to the cooking. First, marinate your chicken with plain yogurt and a blend of biryani spices for at least 30 minutes. In a heavy-bottomed pot, sauté 1 large sliced onion in 2 tablespoons of oil until it's beautifully golden brown. Then, layer the soaked rice, marinated chicken, and pour in the 4 cups of chicken stock. Cover tightly and cook on low heat for about 25 minutes. Once your biryani is cooked, let it rest, covered, for about 10 minutes. Then, gently fluff it with a fork to separate the grains and mix the flavors. Garnish generously with fresh chopped cilantro and some crispy fried onions for extra texture and taste. Serve this delicious chicken stock biryani hot with a side of cooling raita or a fresh, simple salad. Enjoy your homemade, flavorful meal.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.